This video was captured from inside a car on a rainy day, where flames can be seen in the distance as a plane desperately tries to land nearby. The voices of the people inside the car can be heard, filled with hope as they watch the aircraft wobble in the sky. Then, in an instant, tragedy struck. The plane suddenly crashed, resulting in a massive explosion that erupted into a cloud of black smoke. Witnessing such a catastrophic event will forever be etched in the memories of the families present, a haunting reminder of the fragility of life.